Good morning, students. So, today we are going to continue with our chapter Health and Hygiene. The types of diseases can be broadly classified into two types, that is, communicable diseases and non communicable diseases. Communicable or infectious diseases. These are caused by microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, fungi, or protozoans. The causal organism of the disease can be transmitted from one person to another. Hence, it is known as communicable diseases. Mode of transmission is through air, through water, through food. The different microorganisms that causes communicable diseases are through bacteria. The diseases caused by bacteria are cholera, diarrhea, tuberculosis, typhoid, diphtheria, and tetanus. The communicable diseases caused by viruses are polio, rabies, smallpox, measles, and mumps. The diseases caused by protozoans are malaria, amoebiasis, kala azar, sleeping sickness. And the diseases caused by helminthes are teniasis, ascariasis, filariasis, and fungi, ringworm, and athlete's foot. The diseases caused by bacteria. Bacteria, it is a singular or one-celled organism. Some of the diseases caused by bacteria are cholera. It is acute infectious waterborne disease caused by bacterium Vibrio cholera. It is transmitted by flies, contaminated water, and food. When sanitation conditions are poor, it spreads rapidly. Typhoid. It is caused by Salmonella typhi and it is commonly found in the intestine of humans. The bacteria spreads through the fecal matter by houseflies. Tuberculosis. It is caused by a bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. In human beings, the infection spreads by inhaling infected droplets released through coughing, sneezing, talking, and spitting. Whooping cough, or it is known as petrosis. It is mainly a disease of children. It is caused by bacterium Bordetella petrosis that affects the respiratory tract. It is transmitted by discharge from the throat of infected person, that is droplet infection or direct contact. A triple vaccine, diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus can immunize the infants against three diseases: diphtheria, whooping cough, and tetanus. Diphtheria. It is a serious disease of 2 to 5 years old children. It is caused by rod-shaped bacterium Carinibacterium diphtheria. It affects the mucous membrane of nose, throat, and tonsils. It spreads by discharge from the affected regions or through droplet infection. Pneumonia. It is a disease of lungs that occur commonly in old peoples. It is caused by bacterium Diplococcus pneumonia and it spreads by sputum of the patient. So now what is sputum? It is a thick mucus produced by the lungs. Tetanus, or it is also known as lockjaw. It is caused by bacterium Clostridium tetani. It is a painful muscular spasm, paralysis, and locking of the jaw occurs. The bacteria commonly found on rusted iron and horse dung enters the body through wounds and burns and also through unsterilized surgical instruments. Plague. It is basically a disease of rats. It is caused by rod-shaped bacterium Pasteurella pestis. Virus. It is a microorganism that lives in a cell of another living things. They can range in size from about 0.01 to 0.3 microns, and 1 micron is equal to 0.001 mm. They are major causes of diseases. The various diseases caused by viruses in humans are AIDS, common cold, influenza, polio, chickenpox, smallpox, mumps, measles, and hepatitis. Common cold. It is caused by rhinovirus. The virus attacks mucous membrane of nose and throat and causes high discharge through the nose. Chickenpox. It is common disease among children. It is caused by varicella zoster virus. It is highly contagious and spreads by droplet infection. Smallpox. It is caused by variola virus. Rashes appear on the body which gradually changes into pimples. It spreads through oral and nasal discharge. Polio or poliomyelitis. It is caused by RNA virus called poliovirus. The disease is spread mainly through human feces or intestinal discharge. Oral polio vaccine or OPV. It is given orally to children. The virus entered the body via alimentary canal where it multiplies and reaches the nervous system through bloodstream. Rabies or hydrophobia. The viral diseases caused by rabies virus or zoonosis present in the saliva of infected animal. It causes severe damage to central nervous system and causes paralysis and painful death. It is also known as hydrophobia because the patient suffering from virus develops a fear from water.